What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Mark with Not Your Father's Capital. Apologize, out of the office today. A little renovations going up in there. I'll try to be back tomorrow or the day after. Don't really know on that front, but I need to get this video out for you guys, so make sure y'all stick around to the end. We're going to talk some Cardano, some kind of breaking stuff. If you guys looked into the more day-to-day within the price action within Cardano, this one's going to come at a very good time, guys, because it's very important to understand this key level because we have a lot of Cardano at stake, and when we look at the price action moving forward, this is a big one as we get into 2024. So make sure you guys are all subscribed down below. Smash that like button as well. If you have not yet joined us here at Not Your Father's Capital, I appreciate each and every one of you, and let's get down into it, guys. And as always, not financial advice, so please do your own research and due diligence within all things crypto and financial. But we're going to look at the trading view, guys, because we're seeing a little bit of a rally right now, but there's something very important we need to talk about because 2 billion Cardano are at play as the price of Cardano is currently relying on a little bit of a level that we were at since we've since rebounded from 47 cents back on January to January 19th. And this is where in this recovery phase, we saw a little bit of the entire global crypto market correct from the Bitcoin spot ETF news selling event. Okay, so Cardano obviously correlated. The coefficient was real in that, and they absolutely followed Bitcoin in that decline. Okay, but now we've seen Cardano kind of in line with the rest of the market, rebounding up 1.16%. In this zone that we're talking about, okay, now this data metric I'm getting from Into the Block, their global in and out metric. It's a metric I use a lot to really help with some of my understanding of who's holding what, right? When we look at this battle between the bears and the bulls. But within this demand zone, we're seeing Cardano between that 48 and that 52 cents range, and that's where 192,000 different wallet addresses, more than that even, but 192,000 plus bought 2 billion Cardano at an average price of 50 at that 509 level. Okay, so that's going to be our support line moving forward. And you can see kind of at that 509 level that we've since breached that. All right, but now we're looking to get even above higher into that 52 cents range. But here's where it is, guys, right here as it's this dotted line. And you can see how we bounced off of that support line back on the late hours of January 20th. And that's where we're getting into this zone because if we do absolutely get through this support through this support line and bounce off successfully, this is where you're going to see possibly a little bit of profit taking, a little bit of jockeying for that price, where people are going to look to make trades on their positions, okay? But if we were to break down, guys, that's where you see a significant shortage within addresses that hold Cardano below that line, okay? And that's where you would see the next support around that 39 to 48 cents range, where you can see based on the trading view, we're talking about this bottom that has been established a little bit down where we've since bounced off of in the earlier parts of January 19th before we've had the rally to where we are at right here right now. Sorry, a little bit of tongue twister there. But the important thing to understand within this this metric from the global in and out of the money from Into the Block is the fact that 52 to 56 cents range, okay, that is where we're seeing the moving average, that 50-day moving average. That's something very important because if we do stay above that and we break away from that line, that will confirm an even more bullish trend for ADA, and that's going to open the door for more future gains, okay? So the sentiment for Cardano is strong. As always, guys, I'm going to continue to talk about Cardano here on the channel, but we've shown signs of that recovery, right? We all know what was happening within ADA, within crypto. We all knew the institutional manipulation from that Bitcoin spot ETF. That's real. It's very tangible. It happens a lot. And that's kind of why when we had all these discussions, the surging news headlines within the spot ETF news, that was always going to be a glass half full for me. I wanted to kind of just step in with one foot and see exactly what this would do for just a traditional crypto market, right? We all know what it'll do for the institutional side, right? BlackRock and Grayscale, we all know exactly what they were going to profit from, how they were going to make their money. But for me, for you, just the retail side of the coin, I wanted to see what that was going to do to me and my holdings. So, fundamentals forecasts remain strong for Cardano and crypto, but this is kind of where we're just rebounding within what we've had from that sell the news event within the Bitcoin spot TFs. So that's kind of why it's important to stay level, stay grounded, stay up to date with what's going on in the crypto game. That's why it's important to subscribe to the channel so you can stay up to date with all the news headlines as we get them. Because when we have these sell the news events, guys, FOMO, FUD, it's going to be very, very thick out there, and people make a lot of emotional decisions. Okay, so 2024, a lot of huge upgrades coming for Cardano. We're going to have it here on the channel, guys. And I'll give you guys a quick plug on your way out. If you've seen me talk about TradingView on my channel, this is my algorithm, xtalgo.com, trading indicator on TradingView. No sales pitch really required, guys. It simply works. Try it out. 30-day money-back guarantee. 20% off, promo code NYFC down below in the description. Check it out. It doesn't work. You don't like it. You hate it. 30 days, money-back guarantee, no questions asked. But I use it on every one of my crypto trades, and it simply works. So do your own research. Check it out. Do your due diligence within the XT algo, as well as everything going on in the crypto game if you guys are looking to make trades. And we will see you all in the next video. Exciting stuff coming in 2024. A lot of Cardano updates coming along the way. So we'll be covering it all on the channel. And I want to thank you all for being part of the team here. And have a great conclusion of your weekend as we kick off the last week in January. Cheers.